Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Firebase App Check for safer mobile endpoints step by step clearly. To enable Firebase App Check for safer mobile endpoints, start by navigating to your Firebase console. Select your project from the list. In the left-hand menu, click on Build. From the drop-down options, choose App Check. On the App Check page, click the Get Started button. You will see a list of available providers. Select the appropriate provider for your app, such as DeviceCheck for iOS or Play Integrity for Android. Follow the provided instructions specific to your chosen provider to set it up. For the DeviceCheck provider, you will need to enable it in the Apple Developer Console. This involves creating an App ID and enabling AppAttest. For the Play Integrity provider, ensure your app is linked to a Play console. Once your providers are set up, return to the Firebase console. Click on the Register App button. Submit the necessary information for your app, including the package name and other identifiers. Once registered, you will receive an App Check key. Store this key securely, as you will need it later in your app's configuration. Now, open your app project in your favorite IDE. Integrate the Firebase SDK if you haven't already. For Android, ensure you have added dependencies for Firebase App Check in your Gradle file. For iOS, include the Firebase App Check pod in your pod file. Initialize Firebase App Check in your application's startup code. For Android, use the Firebase App.InitializeApp method. For iOS, call Firebase App.Configure in your app delegate. Implement App Check by calling the appropriate initialization method. For Android, use Firebase AppCheck.getInstance.install AppCheck Provider Factory. For iOS, call AppCheck.install AppCheck Provider Factory in the app delegate. Test your implementation by running your application. Monitor the logs to ensure AppCheck token is successfully being generated. Check the Firebase console to confirm that AppCheck metrics are being reported. You have now successfully enabled Firebase App Check for your mobile endpoints. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.